everybody, so I have something really cute to show you guys. So this is just a look at this. See how pretty this is. So this is the Anime Tarot deck, and this includes a fully illustrated 78 card deck and 128 page guidebook. You to just appreciate how nice this is. As you can see on the back, we have the Strength card, the Magician, and the Moon. Strength card, the Magician, and the Moon. So I want to have a little look inside and just basically have a little browse at the art. So I'm going to give this a shuffle because I feel like we're just kind of getting the same type of. Yeah, I give this a shuffle and see. So now we have the 8 of Wands. This is the 8 of Wands. This guy, some wands around here. He kind of looks a bit like Harry Potter. Okay. He looks deep in thought. The 7 of Wands. He seems like he's having a struggle with the wands here, having a bit of a hard time. Princess of Wands is a really pretty card, and she is holding a wand. And we have two. They look like tigers or like snow tigers, I'm not too sure. I love her long hair. We have two animals, two tigers here. There's like the triangle. This is the Queen of Wands. I love her purple dress. She has some animals. I don't know if they're attached to the chair or if they're just standing next to her. But I love her purple outfit and her jewelry and her crown. So this is the universe, and I'm assuming this is the World Tarot card. We have a young girl here with pink hair, ponytails. I just love the background, like the kind of like it's like a universe kind of vortex around her. So this is the sun, And this is a really pretty card. We have these little, they look like polar bears. I mean, I don't know what they are. They bears? Really pretty card. It's really nice. So, this one is the Tower, and yeah, everything's collapsed. The lightning. This one. I'm not too sure what this one is supposed to be in the tarot deck. But she's a little cat creature, long purple hair. So this is the girl on the cover of the tarot deck, if you can see here. She's the High Priestess. Looks very knowledgeable. So I'm going to read the High Priestess. So, the High Priestess, just like the keeper of a magic parlor, the High Priestess is a mysterious figure whose power comes from deep within her subconscious. With an unwavering belief in herself, she trusts the whispers of her heart over the noise of social culture. The High Priestess, so if the card's upright, the High Priestess is a call to look within ourselves and use our intuition to help make our own decisions instead of relying on others to make them for us. What is your intuition telling you? Perhaps a period of solitude is needed in order to come to know your inner self. Reversed. This card represents a lack of clarity that can cause confusion and insecurity. But if you have decided that you won't succeed even before you act, you have already failed in your duty to yourself. Listening to one's intuition involves having faith in oneself. Remember how strong and wise you are. I'm going to read what the Princess of Wands mean. Okay, so here we go. Upright. The Princess of Wands represents a student attempting to harness the element of fire. She is full of fresh, creative ideas and is willing to cast unnecessary things into the fire at her own altar in order to better manifest her will and develop a full sense of self-worth. Reversed. When the Princess of Wands shows up in this position, the uncontrollable flames inside her may be coming out and burning those around her. Calm your fire and contain it by directing it towards achieving your goals instead. So now we're going to do the Prince of Wands. Which is a scary looking card actually. So, the Prince of Wands, upright. The Prince of Wands is a fierce, honest, impulsive figure who improves the world around him with his courageous spirit. He is full of wild energy and ready to take on any challenge that may come his way. So we're going to look at what the Queen of Wands means. There they go. altogether. She is upside down. The Queen of Wands represents a charming, confident person with a strong sense of self. She has gone through a lot to achieve her independence, and this quality adds to her attraction and gives her an extra push for any tasks she sets her sights on. Reversed, this queen may be behaving in a selfish or greedy manner when reversed. Though she has the ability and wisdom to exalt herself, she isn't sharing her rich insights with others. Remembering that there are other queens in her kingdom can help this regal woman regain her balance. Thank you so much for watching my video. I didn't go through every single one because I would be here for a very long time. If you like this video and you would like to see more, just drop a comment down below and I will show you some more. Have a lovely relaxing night.